What's up, guys? It's your boy Mark, and in this video I will be going over how you can make your first $100 online. But if you're new to this channel, make sure to hit and subscribe. Also click that bell so you'll be the first to know once I upload videos on how you can make some daily cash. So here I am inside my back office of $25 1UP, and if you don't know about $25 1UP, I have multiple videos on my YouTube channel that you could check out. I will put a few at the end of the video, but mainly it's a done for you system that comes with digital products that allow you to make 100% instant commissions, 100% instant commissions to your PayPal, Stripe, Cash App, Zelle. However you decide to get paid, you can connect that processor here in your back office. And when you become a part of $25 1UP, and you get training videos on how to set up your system by me, and you also have additional videos inside of your back office. Now, I know you may be wondering, like, well, how can I make $100 a day? Well, if you think about it, guys, at each level you earn 100% instant commissions. So if you decided to come in at the gold level, you earn $25 commissions. No monthly fees, guys, whatsoever. No monthly fees. So everything is just straight profit. So the gold level, you earn $25 commissions. So you would need 4 referrals to help you make that $100 a day. And if you're worrying about how, guess what? If you go to the gold level products, okay, you have pre-running ads and more. You have so many things that will help you achieve the goals that you want to achieve. And what I really like to focus on is the activity every single day, okay? So what I like to do is post. What I like to do is use these done for you ads. I post them on social media. I create content. I come up with a routine every single day. I do not focus on sales. I focus on helping people and helping others, and the sales come. So when you just, focus on the sales and you're not focused on activity, you're not being a leader, showing people how the back office work, creating content, it would be hard for you to earn at least $100 a day. But once you get in the rhythm, get in the flow, get you a routine where you could go through these pre-ran ads, use them, post them on your social media, come up with some creative content that will have people asking you for more info. And you like, hey, if you're like, hey, where will I post these on social media? If you have a Facebook account, okay, in one of my previous videos, I went over how you can use Facebook groups. You can use Facebook ads, Instagram. I love Instagram. It's a daily user for me, 24/7. I am on Instagram. The stories are effective. And what you could do with Instagram is use tags, okay? My next video is going to be about how to use Instagram effectively, because Instagram is really where most of my business is, and YouTube, okay? I love YouTube. I use some of these headlines with my videos. You don't have to be a salesperson to make money with this system. Okay, you will learn the skill of a salesperson. You will gain that knowledge. You will gain that skill because of the training that comes inside of it. All right, the gold level, you get multiple digital products. All of these here are digital products that you are getting and that you could resell and earn $25 commissions. Okay, so no monthly fees. You earn $25 here. The platinum level earn $100 commissions. Okay, so with the platinum level, you could just, all you need is one referral. Okay, one referral a day will give you $100 to your PayPal, Cash App, Stripe, or however you decide to get paid. And what comes with the platinum level and on down, like the Diamond, Enterprise, and Elite, is more training, more resources and tools that show you how to close high ticket products. So anything over $100 is a high ticket product. Okay, so you get the Instagram training, the YouTube training, the Facebook training. You get all of that when you come in at the platinum level. Now, the platinum and the gold comes as a package, eligible to earn $125 commissions when you decide to come in at those two levels. Now the diamond level is one of my favorite. You can come in at the diamond level. It's a solid level. You earn $250 commissions. Once you refer just one person to this level, you will earn $250 commissions every single time, guys. It's easy to navigate. It's easy to use. And the tools and resources and the training is very helpful. The sales funnel here and the sales funnels are very effective. They actually walk people through your sale, so you don't have to do much but focus on marketing and teach other members that come in and join me in this business. I show them the methods I use, where I get my traffic, and I don't just share things that might work. I share things that actually do work for me and my business. So if I could do it, you can do it. Okay, if anybody could do it, anybody could make money with this system. It's global. So you don't have to worry about marketing to family and friends, because at the end of the day, guys, I just always look at business like this. Family and friends will just only see your process, okay? And a stranger will see your progress. With everybody don't understand your business, and you want to be cautious, and you want to be cautious on who you bring into your business, because at the end of the day, this is your business. Yeah, $25 one up is the system, but it allows you to brand yourself. So now I know you're thinking like, well, how does the company get paid? At each level, there is a hosting fee that you have to pay, or a software fee. That's how the company get paid. And when they join you at those levels, like the gold, platinum, diamond, enterprise, and elite, you earn those commissions. Okay, so once again, the sales funnel does all the work for you, does the selling and the telling for you. And when you become a part of different levels, you get more funnels. Okay, so if you only come in at the gold level, you won't have access to this funnel here. And I really love this funnel. It's clean and easy to navigate, and people are easily to put their email in on a presentation video. Okay, then after that presentation video, let me go through the funnel and show you really quickly what it would look like. Okay, so show me the video, and what this would do is take them directly to a sales page. We'll see testimonials and how everything works. Okay, and then let's say they want to get started, and at the bottom of the page is testimonials of other people making money. This is the video that they will come to right here, and it's another video just explaining everything to them, so they know they shouldn't have many questions as they go through this funnel. Once they want to create an account, here is the instructions on how to get started today. So here is another video showing them exactly what it is they need to do once they click this button. So this video goes through showing them exactly how to select their product and make sure you get accounted for your sale. So that's really why I love this funnel, and why I feel like everybody should just come in at least at the $250 level, because you get the gold level for free and the platinum level for free. So you're eligible to earn $250, $100, and $25 commissions. At the price level, you earn $500 commissions, and at the elite level, you earn $1,000 commissions. You should want to position yourself to get started at the highest level that you could start with, so you can earn the biggest commissions and do less work. Okay, I would get this commission because I am the sponsor. You will get this same website to share with other people. All you have to do is just use the marketing strategies that are set out for you to use, and come in at the diamond level or more, guys. You will get a one-on-one session with me. I will help you set everything up. The $100 level, you get more bonuses from me, and the $25 level, I also give you training as well. Just because I love to help my team out, I love to see everybody win. But this is how you can make your first $100 a day with this system. No matter what level you come in at, you can make $100 or more. You have to do the training, create you a routine, build you a audience which I would talk about more when you become a part of my team, and which my goal is to help you make your first sale. So if you like this content, don't forget to subscribe. Also click that notification bell. Other than that, I'm out.